Ooh, ooh.
Lindsay's thirsty. Okay. Anyone else thirsty? Are you?
No, I wanted to. Oh, I wanted to hear the
What
rest.
do you want, Lindsay? Are you thirsty? Yeah.
Yeah, I am too.
Are you gonna like record this whole day, Paige?
No, just part of the drinkingness.
Oh.
It's Michelle.
Oh my God. How come you have a little cake?
Oh, what are those?
The puppet. The
Oh, those like snap things.
lollipops. Some stuff I just put in, so there's this. But it's
I
not
feed
cold
them
yet.
very unique pickle through your buns. Oh man, that's inappropriate.
Mountain Dew.
Eat more and make a belly happy, some really gooey. Me and cheese dry for cool fresh onions. So hot women on top of men in your bed.
Oh, I wrote that. Didn't I write that? That was Tails over?
Someone else.
Oh, I wrote something about men on your bed.
Yeah.
Okay,
What do you want?
Are those
what do you
pancakes?
have? Pop.
No.
That's pop. What do you have? What do you have?
There's Pepsi, but I don't know. Diet in there.
I want Mountain Dew.
It's not cold yet.
That's okay. What is it?
What do you want?
What's here?
Recording the plastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have red diet.
Look at that. It's like talking.
Hello, Sam.
Okay.
How's your day been going? Great. Cool.
Hey, Mr. Garbage Can.
What's poppin', Paige?
Garbage.
Yes, sir. How about Kristen?
Are you smelling it?
No, I was spitting out my gum.
Do you have ice, Michelle?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll just have some water.
Can I have a cup of ice?
Water.
Cup of ice.
Hi. Say hi, Lindsay.
Why are you filming stupidness?
Because I want to.
You can delete it after.
A lot of
Okay.
Not now.
Michelle, I'm using a cup. Where'd she go? Can I get the water? Where's she doing?
Filming the room.